look at the depths of the Grand Canyon, the heights of the Andes, the lively greens of the Amazon, or the calming blues of the Caribbean. To look at nature is to feel awe and wonderment. To live in nature means understanding that nature is our greatest and most sacred giver, our mother. Because nature, Mother Earth, stands out as larger than life, which is to say, as the giver of life. Our ancestors have always considered nature not only as a force to be respected, but also as a divine figure deserving of honor and the greatest tributes.